Development Association.
Mr. President, I am grateful for the opportunity provided to me to speak about the practices contrary to the promotion and protection of all human rights being followed in northeastern and Jammu and Kashmir states of India under the Armed Forces Special Powers Act. I want to bring to the notice of international community that international human rights law prohibits the arbitrary deprivation of life under any circumstances. The Government of India is a signatory to the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights, ICCPR. Article 6 of the ICCPR expressly prohibits derogation from the right to life. Thus, even during time of emergency, no one shall be arbitrarily deprived of his life. The International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights, ICCPR, also prohibits torture and other forms of cruel, inhuman and degrading treatment. Articles 4 and 7 of the ICCPR explicitly ban torture even in times of national emergency or when the security of the state is threatened. International humanitarian law, the law of armed conflict, applicable in non-international armed conflict. The applicable law is found in Article 3, common to the 4 Geneva Conventions of August 12, 1949, Common Article 3. Additional authoritative standards are found in Protocol 2, 1977, additional to the Geneva Conventions of 1949, Protocol 2. Common Article 3 and Protocol 2 each provide international law and standards governing the conduct of parties in an internal armed conflict, including government forces and insurgents. India has ratified the 4 Geneva Conventions of 1949 and is thus obliged to uphold Common Article 3. Mr. President, according to the reports of Human Rights Watch, the Indian security forces continue to commit torture, extrajudicial killings and summary executions in northeast India and Jammu and Kashmir. The Government of India has enacted a series of laws that are in violation to international humanitarian laws. The Section 22 of the Armed Forces Special Powers Act provides protection against prosecution, suit or legal proceedings to all acting under this Act. This immunity against prosecution has resulted in widespread torture, killing, arbitrary arrest and detention. Thank you, Mr. President.